Hi, I'm Ira with Wagler Steel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about our new product line that we're offering, and that is lumber and post frame materials. A lot of our metal was going to post frame buildings, and so we would take our metal packages out there and we saw that they had also needed lumber for the job. So we started thinking about if we would also sell the lumber, then we could just take the lumber and the metal all out in one delivery. If you're looking to build a post-frame building, we would have all the lumber you would need for that project. The lumber we offer here at Wagler would be premium lumber. It would all be number 2 or better. The dimensions of lumber that we sell would be 2x4s, 2x6s, and 2x8s in the SPF. And we sell them in the lengths from 10 feet, 12, 14, 16, and up to 20. And then we also offer a yellow pine, and that we sell in 2x8s, 2x10s, and 2x12s. And then we also would sell 6x6 glue lam posts that you would use for the posts for the building, as well as some 6x6s solid treated and some 4x6s solid treated. We sell rafters and or trusses. We sell them in 20 foot, 24, 28, 30, 36, and 40 foot lengths. We would stock those lengths. And then if you want a special size, we would be able to order those in. We do sell kits for DIY buildings. We would sell the lumber kit and the metal kit. So if you're a DIYer looking to, kind of figure out your own pole barn, we'd be able to help you with that. We can assist you with like a custom lumber order. If you know the size of your building, we'd be able to help you kind of figure out the package that you would need. We'd help you figure out the posts and headers and trusses and 2x4s. And then after you finalize the order, then we would be able to pull that whole package together. So we would offer delivery for our lumber. We would offer like the whole kit. If you buy the metal, lumber, everything together, we would definitely deliver that for you. For lumber orders, the turnaround time, now if you just want a couple 2x4s, you can just stop in and pick them up. But if you would want a kit that we pull together, that would probably be a 1 to 2 day turnaround time. If you're interested in finding out more about our lumber selection, you can visit our website, or you can call or email us, and we'd be glad to send you a lumber catalog.